This is how to clean up an old Tradescantia plant. My Tradescantia, or wandering dude, has been in the same pot for several years, and there's a lot of dead material in here, so it needs a thorough trimming. I'm going to cut it almost all the way back to the root to get all the dead material out of here, but leave the roots because those will sprout again. And then these live healthy sections I'll propagate, stick back in the same pot. So I've got my pot all cleaned out, cut it all back to the root. Now I have to go through this pile of cuttings, pull out all the live material and put it back in the pot. This may not look amazing right now, but give it a few months and it should be much fuller and better looking than it was before. A few months in, and the top of this has filled in very nicely. It still has a long ways to go as far as growing and dangling over the sides, but it is looking a lot better already. After several months of growth, this is filling out really nicely. And there is some dead material in here, so that'll have to be removed eventually. So at some point I'll repeat the process of trimming it all the way back to the soil. I might eventually also have to put that trimmed root ball in a new pot for some new soil and more nutrients. But for now, I'm just gonna let it keep growing.